Well, we're very pleased to be here today at House Creek Elementary to celebrate the success of the students and staff and their recognition as a National Blue Ribbon School. It's quite an honor when you think about how you attain that kind of ranking across the state and throughout the nation. Only 26 schools across the state of Texas are nominated from public schools for a National Blue Ribbon School, and we were honored this year whenever they contacted us from the Texas Education Agency and said, hey, we've got a surprise. We want you to know that we're getting ready to nominate House Creek Elementary because they perform in the top half of the top 1% of all campuses across the state of Texas. And so today here at this campus, we'll be celebrating our staff for the wonderful job that they do inside the classroom, supporting those in the classroom, making sure that they have all the resources and all of the information materials that they need to be successful, but also celebrating the efforts of our students. We have a wonderful group of families and students here at House Creek that come to school ready and energetic and enthusiastic about learning each and every day. And that's why we see the kind of success that we see with the students here. So we're very, very pleased for House Creek Elementary staff and the families that we serve, and thankful that this opportunity's finally arrived to recognize the efforts of both students and staff.
We have a motto here at our school. It's one team, one dream, and it really does. It takes everyone to get in there and be working and trying to provide the very best for our kids. And I'll just say our approach has been to come in and be enthusiastic and positive. And I tell you what, that's really made a difference in our campus. And you could see that success with our staff, with what they do, and our teachers. And it's evident in our student learning because they're very excited about being in class. In fact, I'll give an example. I was in a class this morning, and it was incredible the amount of enthusiasm those kids had towards learning. And so just very proud of all of our students, what they've been able to do, and it takes everyone. Our parents are tremendously supportive, and we have an outstanding facility, and best of all, we've got the very best teachers that you can possibly get. So it's just a fantastic time to be here at House Creek Elementary School.